To create a Crypto.com account, then head over to Crypto.com and you'll see this is the world's fastest growing crypto app. So to install the app, go to your App Store on your Apple device or Google Play on an Android, or you can just turn the camera on your phone and scan the QR code and that will take you straight there. Once you've downloaded the app, then click Open. If you've been invited to Crypto.com by a friend, then click Add Referral Code or click Sign Up. Next, you'll need to enter your email address and click Continue. Then check your email inbox to click on the confirmation link to continue. Next, you'll see that you can get up to 8% cash back on spending on your Crypto.com Visa card. Crypto.com will also cover the costs of Spotify, Netflix and Amazon Prime when you pay for those on your Crypto.com card. You can get 10% back on selected travel websites such as AirB&B and Expedia. And you can go ahead now and start buying and selling and paying with crypto quickly and easily using your Crypto.com app. So we'll hit the check mark in the bottom right corner, check the email address and accept the terms and conditions and click Continue. Next, you'll be asked to enter your phone number. So first enter the area code for your location, then enter your phone number and click Send Verification Code. Next, enter the verification code that you received via text message. You'll see that your phone number has been verified and tap Anywhere to continue. And lastly, you can choose whether you'd like to receive exclusive offers and new updates via email or in-app messages. So check the box to say yes or click Continue. And next you'll see to open an account, the government regulations require you to provide more information. This includes your full legal name, your ID and a picture of yourself. So to provide those details, click Continue. Enter your full name and click Continue. Next you'll need to provide a photo of yourself, so just click OK so that you can use your camera. And select which type of document you wish to scan, such as a passport, driver's license or ID card. So I'll choose passport. Next, you'll center your face within the frame and provide a photo of yourself by clicking Continue. And lastly, you'll see that your document and selfie is submitted and they'll notify you once your verification is complete. Then tap anywhere on the screen to continue. We can see already that the verification is approved and we can tap anywhere to continue. This is where we can set a 6-digit passcode and confirm the passcode. And once your passcode is confirmed, tap anywhere to continue. Next, you'll be asked to select your payment currency. In this case, I'll choose British pounds and click Continue. So that payment currency is confirmed and tap anywhere to continue. And then you'll be taken into your Crypto.com dashboard. And that's how quick and easy it is to create your Crypto.com account. Okay, so now let's look at how to add money to Crypto.com. Start by tapping here on the logo at the bottom. And then at the bottom, tap on Buy. And this is where you'll find a wide range of cryptocurrencies that you can choose to buy. And if you go to the top and tap in the search box, you'll see this is where you can search for the cryptocurrency that you wish to buy. But in this example, I'll just tap on Crypto.com coin. You'll see that I can choose from credit card, crypto wallet or fiat wallet. And within the first 30 days of creating a new account, then you'll see the fee of 2.99% is waived. To choose the amount that you'd like to buy, then tap on the amount shown. We can then delete that amount and type in the new amount and you'll see how much that will cost in your local currency. So in this example, we'll see that 500 will cost £137.31. We can tap Add Credit or Debit Card, and this is where you'll enter your card details. And once you've added your card and it's been verified, then tap on the Buy button below. And you'll see here 0% fee is required to cover additional processing costs. And you just check the box to say I understand and continue. And lastly, you'll be asked to confirm the amount you've purchased. So you can tap on Confirm, enter your 6-digit PIN, and once the transaction's gone through, you'll see confirmation of your purchase. And then from the main dashboard, tap on the logo at the bottom, tap on Crypto Wallet, and now you'll see that I own 500 Crypto.com coins. So that's how to add money to Crypto.com and also how to buy your first cryptocurrency.